Today I'm going to show you how to remove the back of 3 types of watches. So we take a look at the back of these watches that I have right here. First, of course, we have the back that's held on by screws. That should be very simple to remove. Next, we have, this is what's called a screw-off back. You see it's notches. And lastly, we have what's called a snap-off back. Let's start with something easy. I'm going to remove this watch case back, which is held on by screws. But unfortunately, none of these screwdrivers will work because they're too big and it's not Phillips. But fortunately, I have the Jacami precision screwdriver set. It's the perfect size. Got so many different heads in here. Let's go ahead and put this on here. It's the perfect size for it. All right, there goes one screw. For that, let me try one of these openers. Oh, this looks like a proper tool. Bring it over here. Oh, there it is. See how that comes off easily? And there is the battery. Next, we have what's called a screw-off back. Now, if you look carefully, there are these notches along the periphery of the case. Now, I'm going to use a plier, but I'll give you one to give you a warning. Is that if it's your first time doing this, you are going to end up scratching the back of the watch. So what you want to do is place it on 2 of these notches right here. The trick is to press down with force and then rotate counterclockwise. All right. There you go. Once you have it loose with the tool, simply rotate it counterclockwise, and then eventually this should come off. There it is. All right, and there's the old watch. Let's go ahead and remove that. Pop in a new one. Fortunately, I have some new batteries with me. This is the Pixel brand. Let's go ahead and pop in here. All right, the battery's in, and here's how you put the case back on. If there's a gasket, make sure you line up properly. So line it up, press it down, and then rotate it clockwise to tighten with the hand first. Okay, once this hand tightened, you can use a plier carefully to lock it in place by rotating it clockwise. There you go. Let's confirm it's working. Yeah, second mark is ticking, see? Good. Lastly, this is called a snap-off back. This would be the hardest to use. The tool you're gonna need is some type of bench knife. Fortunately, I have this as part of my plier multi-tool kit set. What you wanna do is look for a notch. It should be around periphery somewhere. See this, there it is right there. So what you want to do is insert the tool in the notch and carefully make sure you don't cut yourself. Unfortunately, my tool is not thin enough to reach into the notch, but that's okay. I can demonstrate using another one of these snap-off back. So right here, I have a Paul Rich watch right here. So similarly, you want to look for that notch. Put the tool down here. Apply some. Okay, so that came loose. Once that's loose, you simply pop it up. There's no rotating required. Take out the battery. And if it doesn't go on easily, I'll show you this trick because it's going to take some force. All right, so on a hard surface, put a towel down so you don't scratch the face of the watch. You're going to put something rubber right here and then use like a wood, like a 2x4 and then just apply even pressure, and then it snaps in place. I think that's, I heard it pop in place. Should be good. See, that looks good. Yep, second hand's moving. We're good to go. So I hope my video was helpful. So that's how you remove the back of 3 different type of watches. Sometimes you just need the proper tool, but regardless, best of luck.